So today, we'll create a new page using a blank or Microsoft template. To create a new page, click New Page. There are several templates provided by Microsoft. You can click any one of them to check the preview of the page. If you want to check another preview, click Back and choose another template. If you're happy with this template, click Use this template. Now we're able to provide the page name. Let's say Intro to AI. You can then change any content or image. Let me add some content. Let me also update this image. You can also add any new section or a web part. For now, in one column, let me add button web part. Let me add the label feedback and click Publish. If you want to add the link of this page in the navigation, either in the hub navigation or site level navigation, copy the URL, click Edit. Under IT, click the plus icon, paste the link, and add the display name Intro to AI. Click Save. Now open the home site. If you want to navigate to the new page, hover Pages and click Intro to AI. We can see the newly created page. Great. It is also possible to create a new page using a blank template. To do that, click New Page. Click Create Blank. Here, we have to add everything from scratch, from adding title to section to content and images. First, add the title. You can choose different layout if you want. I will choose plain. We can also add section template if you want. Just click the section and scroll down on the right side. Click See All Section Templates. These are the list of available templates. Feel free to choose any template you would like. For now, let me choose this template. Let me delete this section and let's add new section with one column. Here, let's add some web part. For now, I will use a text web part. Then add some text. Let's also add the image web part. Then add some stock image. Once happy with your page, click Publish. Again, let's try to add this link in the site level navigation. So click Edit, click plus icon, add the link and the display name. Click Save. And now we have another link in the site level navigation. If you click them, it works. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a custom page template. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.